Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account. What you need to do is come to your profile right here, click on it, then come straight here to the three lines on the right hand side, click on that, then come straight here to settings and privacy, click on that, then come straight here to manage account, click on it. The right here, click on delete account, click on it. Okay, so right here we can see it says, why are you leaving TikTok? So right here, these are some of the reasons, and also if you click on anyone, you also get the solution. So if I click on I'm leaving temporarily, it says you will have 30 days to reactivate your account before the account is permanently deleted. So if you have trouble getting started, let's click on that. It says setting up your profile, explore videos, creating your first video, and getting more tips on using TikTok. Privacy concern, you can click here. It says switch to a private account and manage privacy settings, blocking someone, reporting something, or I don't feel safe. You can click right here. So as you can see, each of these have a solution to it, maybe a reason why you want to leave TikTok. So right now we're going to pick this and click on continue. So now we're on the second page. It now says download your TikTok data. We recommend downloading your TikTok data, like your video post, because you can no longer download it once you delete your account. You won't be able to download content that is not stored in the TikTok server, such as your draft. If you already request a copy of your data, wait until you download it before deleting your account. So you can click the request download button right there, or you can skip it and come straight down and click on the by continue. You reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. So there's a dot right there. So click on it. Once you click on it, it becomes red like this, and you can just click on continue the process to delete your TikTok account. So click on it. So right here you can see my name, and it now says delete this account. Then underneath it says your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. During deactivation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime. After 30 days, your account and data will be permanently deleted. If you delete your account, you won't be able to log in and use any TikTok service with that account. You will lose access to all your videos. Information that isn't stored in your account, such as draft messages, may still be visible to others. Information that isn't stored on TikTok server, such as draft, will be removed. You won't be able to download such information after deleting your account. You won't be able to get refund on any items you purchased or received. Do you want to continue? So if you want to continue, just click on continue underneath that red button. Continue. Verify your account. To continue, log in to the Google account you signed up with so we can confirm your TikTok account. So I'm going to click on continue with Google so that it can confirm that yes, I own this TikTok account and I want to delete it. So right here it's giving me the option to choose the email account that I used to register for my TikTok account. Once I click on it, yep, so now it now says delete. So now I can delete my TikTok account. So click on it, and it now says, are you sure you want to delete account? So I'm going to click on delete. Yes, I am sure I want to delete it. So click on it, and that's it. I've deleted my TikTok account. Okay, so take note that right now my account has only been deactivated. and will be deleted after 30 days. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.